today we'll look at the defense against the collar grab. Okay, so collar grab and when the opponent is trying to punch you. So there are various things that you can do in this. So for example, if he is grabbing my collar with his left hand and he is about to strike me with right hand. Okay. So the important thing is about the range. If I stay here, then naturally the punch will land on my face. Okay, so I don't have to be here. Now because I am in his control, he is grabbing my collar, I can't move back. So I have to go in. I have no option. Okay. So the moment he grabs me and tries to hit me, okay, I have to move inside. Okay. So I make sure I thrust my elbow inside his chest. Okay. It can be again on the face as well. So as he is hitting, I can go inside and attack. In certain case, if he tries to keep his arm locked, okay, and now I try to go in, so it will be difficult for me to get inside, and naturally I have no option, the punch will land on my face. So now what we will be doing is, we'll be trapping the hand and we'll step outside 45 degrees. This would go here, okay, so come this side. So as he grabs me, okay, I'll trap his hand. Another reason for trapping the hand is, if he traps and pulls me, my t-shirt will tear. Okay, so I don't want my t-shirt to get spoiled. So I trap his hand. Now when he pulls me in, so my whole body goes along with the t-shirt. So my t-shirt is in, my clothes are safe. Okay. Now I trap his hand and I step outside like this. Okay. I step outside, I grab his tricep, I clinch it. So the moment he grabs me and he's about to strike me, start from here, he grabs me, okay, I step in. Now I am away from his punch. He can't punch me here. Okay, try punching me. It's difficult for him. Now when I am doing this, I am trapping this and stepping inside. At the same time, I am knee striking to the groin. So I just grab and punch, knee strike. Okay, so you can do couple of knee strikes over here. So as he grabs and attacks. So from here, after doing couple of knee strikes to the groin, I strike in ribs. Okay, push him and then run away. Okay, again. He grabs and moves out. हम लोग ने स्टार्टिंग में जो टेक्निक किया था ना, कि हम लोग स्टेपिंग करके उसको क्लिंच कर रहे हैं, बाहर से नी स्ट्राइक कर रहे हैं. ओके, कॉन्सेप्ट वो सेम ही है. इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग हम लोग क्या कर रहे हैं यहाँ पे, ये जो रेंज है, हम लोग वो रेंज तोड़ रहे हैं. अगर वो यहाँ से मुझे कोई स्लैप करता है, कोई यहाँ से स्लैप करता है, पंच करता है, तो मैं ऑलरेडी रेंज में हूँ, तो मुझे वो रेंज में नहीं रहना. इफ आई स्टे हियर एंड ही ग्रैब्स मी, ओके, एंड ही स्ट्राइकिंग मी, ओके, सो इट्स गोइंग टू हर्ट मी. So what I'm doing is I'm breaking the range. Now actually, if he has not grabbed me and he is attacking me, I can move out, right? But another disadvantage over here is I cannot kick or punch, okay, because he is out of the range. When I'm going inside, I'm getting the opportunity to strike. I can do knee strike, I can do punches, I can do elbow strike. Many things can be done, okay. So as he's grabbing, he has pinned me, which means I can't move out of his grip. If I try to go back, my t-shirt will tear. Maybe for guys it's okay, but from the girl's point of view, it's not okay. So you have to be very careful. So when he grabs, make sure you trap his hand. Okay. Now, if I get the opportunity to directly go inside, I will do that also. Suppose now he is attacking from here, I move in. Okay. From here, once he is hurt, here I grab him and he strike from here. Then hammer fist, many things can be done. If I want to control it, I grab it from here also. Okay. But in case he grabs, I'm trying to go in, it's not allowing, he's not allowing me to get in. Okay, there are chances when people don't want the person to get in. Okay, so the reason is he wants to make sure that I'm in his range, so he can apply punches. Okay, in some cases it also happens why the person keeps this. If I'm going in to punch him, he tries to keep his face away. Okay, and he punches me. Okay, so in that case, now when I'm not getting the chance to get in, so I go sideways, but again I'm going inside. Though I'm going diagonally, I'm going inside. I'm going in. Okay. So at the same time, I'm stepping and trapping his tricep. Okay. So he grabs, don't allow me to get in. Very good. Now I go in like this. Here at the same time, his elbow will bend also. Okay. So I grab and knee strike at the same time. Along with knee strikes, you can also stick to the shin also. If you're wearing good shoes, you can do that. But if you are doing bare feet, don't go for this. Okay, so you can trap him and at the same time knee strike. And it's not just one single strike. You have to do couple of knee strikes. Okay? Right. 1, 2, 3. Break his balance. Even if your knee strike doesn't land on his groin, it's okay. But when you are doing this action, naturally he will get distracted. He will try to focus on his balance as well as he will try to defend his groin. Okay? So, say for example, if I am grabbing him and he comes, do the same. Okay? Trap my hand. Okay. You step in. Okay? And trap it here. Trap my tricep. Come here. Yes. And now when he's trying to knee strike my mind, naturally I will try to protect my groin first. Okay? So, as he grabs, move in and knee strike. Once his focus is on there, I get ribs open. Can hit here only. Okay? I go here, ribs. Then I move out, place this hand over here. And then I knee strike, hammer fist, elbow strike, whatever you get, the option you can do that. Okay? Any doubts? You have any doubts? Any doubts? Understood? Another thing what I would like to suggest is, he grabs. When you are going inside, okay, if you don't go enough inside, you just stay here, you still can do it. On this side. I just go this much, I am still in his reach. Okay? The idea to go inside is not to get hurt by this punch. Okay? So what I am trying to do is go as much as possible. Now he can't reach me. See, his biceps are almost here. We are going in. I am also protecting my ribs with the elbow. When he's grabbing and I am entering, like coming for a punch and doing this, there are chances my elbows, my ribs are open. So if he pulls his hand back, goes for a stomach punch, I may get hit. Okay. So when I am going here, I am protecting my face by hiding behind his shoulder, plus this elbow and my bicep, tricep and all are protecting my ribs. See? So if he tries to punch me, I am safe. Okay? Now I can knee strike him or I can punch him here. When move, there is a chance that I break his balance. Okay? And he can just fall like that. I trap him so it doesn't pull. I go inside, I hug his arm. Okay? Make sure my head is here, out of his reach. Try to punch. Okay? Try to turn and punch. It's difficult for him because I am trapping his arm and the position of his arm is this. Another thing is what is happening right now is he is getting in a shoulder lock. So when I am bending his arm, there is an American joint lock which is in Brazil, which is on the floor, which can be done in this position as well. That is, we grab the hand like this and twist it in this direction. So naturally is getting in that position. Okay. So when I am trapping him and going inside, he is getting pressure on his shoulder joint as well. Okay. And I just twist little more, he gets the pain and he has chances he may fall. Okay. At the same time, he can swing his leg also. That is also can be done. But currently we are not focusing on that. We are trapping, moving inside and knee striking. Okay, even if the knee strike doesn't go on the ground, it's okay to distract him and then distract. From here, change the position. Place your hand over here. Remember what we did just now? Okay, we were stepping, grabbing over here and doing knee strike. Same thing. The thing we did from here, we are doing it from this side. Okay, so after this, I step in, knee strike. Now this hand moves out, I am placing it here, and then knee strike. Got it? Then you can go for hammer. Again, from here, knee strike on the face. Anything can be added. Okay? Any doubts? So my main concern behind this was getting away from this punch. So I am moving here. That is the main concern. Got it? पहले ये सीखो. जैसे भी लोग ये कर रहे हो, स्टेपिंग कर रहे हो, try to hide your head behind his arm. Here. So my shoulder is touching here. See? I am doing inside. Bend it in. Bend, knee strike. Got it?